Hello, RV enthusiasts. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in Williamston, South Carolina, your premier RV dealer in the Southeast. We're thrilled to showcase this in-depth walk-around tour of this absolutely stunning 2017 Entegra Aspire 44R. This is a prime example of high-end luxury diesel pusher motoring, specifically featuring the highly sought-after, incredibly spacious 44R bunkhouse model. It's an unforgettable home on wheels. Right away, you'll be captivated by the truly gorgeous full-body paint package, showcasing the vibrant, sophisticated California chrome graphic design, a scheme that beautifully distinguishes this coach on the road. At 44 feet, it's a substantial coach, offering a level of living and storage space that few others can match, made possible by its 4 hydraulically operated slide-outs, all sitting firmly atop the heavy-duty Spartan K2 TAG AXLE chassis. Beneath the rear cap, this powerhouse is driven by the robust Cummins ISL diesel engine, a trusted workhorse that generates a full 450 horsepower and a massive 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, perfectly paired with the legendary Allison 3000 mH transmission. This is a powertrain that is ready, right now, for any cross-country adventure you can plan. Crucially, please note, this coach features a full set of updated Toyo tires all around, professionally installed in 2023, giving the next owner complete peace of mind and maximum confidence, right from the very first mile. Key exterior features include the full array of premium power Girard awnings. That's the main patio awning, the entry door awning, the slide toppers, and the window awning package, all offering effortless shade and maximum protection. We also have a convenient exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV and a soundbar, perfect for tailgating or relaxing with an evening movie outdoors. Furthermore, with a substantial 15,000-pound trailer hitch, you have the capacity to bring along a large tow vehicle or a fully loaded utility trailer. Now, let's explore the foundation, the utility, and the heart of this coach's mechanical systems. The basement offers absolutely massive, full pass-through storage compartments, easily accessible from either side, making it simple to stow and organize all your camping gear, tools, and supplies. This space is dramatically enhanced by a large slide-out storage tray, providing simple, pull-out access to everything you need, eliminating the need to crawl inside. Inside the utility bays, you'll find sophisticated high-end systems that deliver true 4-season residential comfort. This Aspire is equipped with the top-of-the-line AquaHot 400D hydronic heating system. This system ensures you have unlimited on-demand hot water and silent, consistent furnace heat distributed throughout the entire coach. This is a massive upgrade over standard propane furnaces. The electrical power management is handled flawlessly by a reliable 50-amp service, which includes a built-in power reel for easy hookup, a powerful Magnum inverter charger, and simple battery disconnects. When you find yourself off-grid, the reliable Onan 10.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator is mounted on its own slide-out service tray for easy maintenance access, and features auto gen start capabilities, so you never have to worry about low batteries. Finally, setting up camp at your destination is near instantaneous and simple, with the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, all controlled effortlessly by a simple touchpad system. The TAG AXLE Spartan chassis provides an incredibly stable platform for both driving and camping. Through the entry door, you are immediately greeted by the overwhelming sense of residential luxury and the warmth of the interior. The entire coach features beautiful, durable, and most importantly, heated tile flooring, a luxurious and highly desirable feature for comfort, especially on cool mornings or during shoulder season travel. The front living room is designed as a spacious, flexible sanctuary. It features a large, comfortable pull-out sleeper sofa, which allows this coach to comfortably sleep up to 6. The adjacent sofa easily converts into a dinette when the removable tabletop is attached, creating a flexible and social dining space. Entertainment is everywhere in this room, with a huge 50-inch TV on a convenient motorized lift and a second 32-inch TV positioned above the front cockpit seats. You'll appreciate the smooth, comfortable ride delivered by the full air ride suspension and the updated camera systems, including both rear view and side view, make maneuvering this large coach feel remarkably light and breezy. Moving into the heart of the coach, we find a truly residential kitchen designed for serious cooking. It features a large stainless steel refrigerator and freezer, an electric induction cooktop, and a powerful microwave convection oven. The expansive countertop space is thoughtfully enhanced by an extendable section, giving you plenty of room for all your complex meal prep. Generous, well-organized pantry storage ensures you can fully stock up for any extended trip. Across from the kitchen is one of the most exciting and highly desirable features, the dedicated bunkhouse area. This space includes 2 large, comfortable bunk beds, with each bunk having its own individual TV. This area is incredibly versatile. When the bunks are not in use, the entire section conveniently transforms into a large wardrobe closet, maximizing your clothing and linen storage options. Adjacent to the bunks is the middle full bathroom. This space is well-appointed and highly functional, featuring a toilet, a sink, a vanity, and a large shower enclosure with glass doors, a skylight, and a power vent fan. Comfort is key throughout, with the 3 15,000 BTU roof-mounted AC units, all featuring heat pumps, which keep the entire coach perfectly comfortable in any climate, all year round. We now enter the private, spacious rear master bedroom, your true retreat after a long day of travel. The inviting layout features a comfortable king-sized bed, a ceiling fan for air movement, a dedicated 32-inch TV, and abundant built-in drawer storage. With only 27,000 miles on this coach, it is in superb condition, has been incredibly well maintained, and is genuinely ready for its next adventure. Finally, we conclude the tour in the private rear master half bathroom. This 1.5 bath configuration is a crucial luxury feature in a bunkhouse model, providing a separate, convenient second lavatory. It includes a toilet, a sink, a vanity, a power vent fan, and a large wardrobe closet. And listen to this. Within this closet, you will also find the valuable stackable washer and dryer, providing total laundry independence, making it incredibly easy to manage all your linens and clothing on the road. To quickly recap and bring this incredible tour to a close, you've just seen the exceptional 2017 Entegra Aspire 44R bunkhouse. This coach features the rare and desirable 44R floor plan with 4 slides and 1.5 baths, is powered by a high-performance 450 horsepower Cummins diesel, sits securely on the Spartan TAG AXLE chassis, and has driven a low 27,000 miles. It is absolutely loaded with top-tier residential amenities, including the aqua-hot heating system, a powerful 10-kilowatt Onan generator, the luxurious heated tile floors, a full residential refrigerator, and the convenient stackable washer and dryer. Sleeping up to 6 with the king bed and 2 bunk beds, it is the perfect luxury coach for a traveling family or for anyone looking for the absolute best in high-end diesel pusher motorhome travel. This is a phenomenal opportunity to own a luxury coach with low mileage and a perfect floor plan. If you're interested in this incredible Entegra Aspire, please give us a call at 864-2609-276. Email us directly at sales@portersrvsales.com or visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com for more photos and detailed information. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful RV with us.